Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you the solutions for cloud computing week 1 assignment answers. So friends, let's see the first question. A distributed system is preferred when the task is data intensive, computing intensive. So here uh, both are preferred. So option C, both 1 and 2 is correct answer. Moving on to the second question. The grid in the distributed grid computing paradigm links together power plants of different kinds. The answer is false because here they mention grid but the actual term is the power grid. So B is correct answer. That is false. And next question. The third question. Which of the following is the advantage of cloud computing? Resource pooling, option A is correct. Actually option B is disadvantage, but they asked you the advantage only but not disadvantage, because requiring an always constant connection is a disadvantage. So B is not the answer, and C, ubiquitous, is the answer, and also on demand payment policy is also the advantage. So the probable answer for this third question is A, C and D. Moving on to the fourth question. The distributed system ensures robustness of performance. The fourth question, the answer is true. That is option A. And the next question is fifth one. What is the characteristic of using cluster computing? The answer is all the answers. That is parallel programming, option A, faster network, option B, low latency, option C. The answers are A, B and C. So next question, sixth one. Web access to commercial software is one of the SaaS characteristics in the cloud computing paradigm. The answer is true. That is option A. And the next question, that is seventh question. Examples of platform as a service tool is. Here there are two answers. First one is Microsoft Azure, and the other answer is Google App Engine. That is option C. Both B and C are the answers for seventh question. And the next question, infrastructure as a service in cloud computing delivers option 1 storage and option 2 servers. Here the answer is both storage and servers. That is option C. Option C, both is the correct answer. The last but one question, infrastructure as a service is the best option when regulatory compliance makes the offshoring or outsourcing of data storage and processing difficult. The answer is option B, false, because IaaS is not the best option, but they gave the best option, so it is false. And the final question of this assignment 1 is 10th question. What is the main requirement of a CSP, cloud service provider? Actually there are two answers, that means two requirements they given correctly. That is option A, increased agility, and option C, increased productivity. So the answer is A and C. So friends, these are the answers for the respective questions asked in the week 1. So hope you find this video helpful. So for upcoming videos regarding the assignments and the many more courses, please subscribe my channel, like this video and share to your friends. If you have any doubt, please uh, comment in the comment section, so I'll try to reply to those questions. So until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you. Bye.